Hi there, I'm Chris Marchini with Rose City Originals, and I'm here today with AccuQuilt to show you how to use my new Go Berry Medley Die to cut and layer up different shapes to make a variety of different berries. So today we will be making the strawberry, but this die board has 9 different shapes that you can layer up to make blueberries, cherries, strawberries, and then blackberries or raspberries if you just change up the color. It is on a 5x10 die board, so it will fit through any of the Go cutters, including the Go Me. So let me show you just how easy this is. So first we're just going to layer up our fabric, making sure that those shapes are fully covered. Add on our cutting mat and set it through. And today we will be using the Go Bolt Cutter to cut these out, which is the newest electric cutter from AccuQuilt. Once it's cut, we just give it a little rub and slide off our mat. And there are our perfectly cut berry shapes. And now that we have our shapes cut out with that fusible on the back, we can quickly add them to a piece of fabric to become a quilt block for the Go Berry picnic blanket. So I have my fabric cut out here. We're going to peel off the backing paper. So we'll start with the strawberry shape, get that pressed down. And then the berry topper. And fuse that down. Now I can take this over to my machine, do a quick stitch around the outside edge to make sure it's fully secured, or you can stitch it by hand, or use some of the free embroidery files available from AccuQuilt. That's what I used to make this quilt behind me. So there we have our finished strawberry using the strawberry shape and the stem. These 2 shapes right here. But you can also make blueberries using the large circle, and for the straight on blueberry, you'll use this blossom and the small circle. And for the side profile, you'll use this blossom here. Also can make cherries, again using the large circle. We have our cherry stem and the leaf. And you just layer them up. And lastly is a blackberry or a raspberry. The same shapes will give you the different results just based on color. So we'll cut out the blackberry body, as well as 4 of the small circles here, and 1 of the stems. So just like that, you can add berries to quilts, towels, and all other kinds of home accessories. How adorable would it be to add berries to all of your gifts this summer? So I hope you enjoy my new Go Berry Medley Die with AccuQuilt just as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.